Is price the most important thing in selecting a leafleting firm? There is a false perception amongst businesses new to using leafleting. All leafleting firms are the same, so logically they should just choose the cheapest. This is a million miles from the reality. I've lost count of the number of times I've heard of complaints of leaflets being dumped by cowboy leafleting firms. Many of the prices they quote are too low to allow them to do the job properly, so they dump large numbers of leaflets. Also, many of them are too incompetent to check the deliveries, despite saying that they do. Reliability is the main thing, not the apparent price per 1,000 leaflets. What about putting leaflets in local papers? With very few exceptions, this generates dismal results, as there are simply far too many leaflets placed in the paper. The whole handful go in the bin without being looked at, and this is if someone has actually bothered to turn to the specific page where the leaflets are. The price per 1,000 looks very cheap for papers, but the price per 1,000 inquiries you get will be pretty rotten. Are national leafleting firms any good? No. They just subcontract work to firms like us, taking a big slice of your money. Also, from a long distance away, they are unable to check that delivery has been done properly. If, for a delivery of 10,000 leaflets, they ask for 50 signatures from householders as proof, it is a joke in terms of really being sure the 10,000 leaflets reached letterboxes. Leafleting will always be a low-tech activity and cannot be monitored via email or post from hundreds of miles away. It needs local people on the ground checking it. Why is our leafleting firm better? Each of our branches is a franchise, so that proven, tested systems are utilized for screening potential leafleters, interviewing them, and checking deliveries. The local branches ensure that each franchise is actively controlling the deliveries at a local level. Also, each branch operates a cleaning business and gets around 90% of their clients from leafleting, so they are unlikely to dump their own leaflets. Each franchisee is highly motivated to make sure their own cleaning leaflets are properly delivered, and your leaflets can be added on to their distribution. We only do a maximum of 2 other leaflets plus yours in order to give the best response. Any more leaflets than this means the whole lot goes straight in the bin. If you want to take a risk with your money, feel free to use a dirt cheap competitor or a subcontracting national leafleting firm. But if you'd prefer it done properly and to actually get calls from new clients, give us a ring. Our local franchisees look forward to hearing from you.